What is the one thing that every single business owner today requires? If you said traffic, then you'd be right. Now, I know there's a million traffic apps out there. There's a million courses on traffic. Everybody says they've got viral traffic, this, viral that, viral this, viral that, blah, 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 blah. I get it. Okay. This thing, though, is really, really special. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Atlantis. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull most successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead to the good stuff because, frankly, my jokes are pretty boring. And I'm just going to leave it at that. I usually would go and make a whole joke about my jokes being boring, but frankly, those are boring too. I really need some new material. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, really, Bart? Really? Do you have any idea how irritating that guy is? He does it all the time. Yakety, yakety, yakety with the crap. Bart, give it a rest. Seriously, it's enough, okay? All the time, every single video. Do you know how annoying that is? You know, anyway, but seriously, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip. My ads to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I do love Liz. She's a fellow New Yorker. I can't really get angry at a fellow New Yorker. I'm sorry, you know, I know she says the same thing every day also. I should be pissed off at her too, right? But I can't be angry at her. What can I say? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Atlantis. This is a brand new software that basically what it's designed to do is to kind of reverse engineer viral traffic. So what do I mean by reverse engineer viral traffic? So basically what the software does is it lets you instantly grab people on Instagram. Now, I know there's a ton of software for Instagram. I know there's like every other day, there's another person has software for Instagram. This one's really, really special, really different than what you usually see for Instagram. It's something that I've never really seen something that is quite this simple to use. And I'm going to explain to you exactly how it works. But before I do want to show you my custom bonuses because I have the best custom bonuses that you will find for Atlantis, bar none. Okay, seriously. Okay, first of all, I'm going to give you a whole set of viral quote content that you can actually use on Instagram. So you have stuff that's already made. You're also going to get PLR to local video jackpot. Okay, this is my award-winning package that got me started in this industry that really you can use some of these videos actually for Instagram as well. I'm going to give you access to the Ninja blogging course as well as Unstoppable and the income formula. You're also going to get Bulletproof Niche Renegade, which is a really cool course on making money online. And of course, I'm also going to give you if you pick up any upgrade, you get a shout out to my Instagram followers. Plus, on top of all that, because I'm not done yet, plus I'm also going to give you a software called Cleopatra, which is another traffic software. Plus the pro version of Cleopatra. And on top of all those things, I'm also going to give you a selection of 4,000 additional images and quotes that you can use on Instagram. So you're going to get all that included with this package completely for free. Okay, now let me show you how the software actually works, because this is super duper cool, actually. So basically what you do is you're going to go to Instagram, and it doesn't matter which account you have on Instagram, I don't care. Okay, now you're going to go and install the software. I've already done so. Okay, and let me pull it up real quick, make sure that's here. Okay, Atlantis, perfect. All right, so we're going to click follow followers and we're going to click start. Okay, now what we're going to do is like this. We're going to go ahead and check out the followers here. All right. This is, oh, and by the way, so just as an example, let's say that you run a something about cats. Okay, so you want to follow funny people who like funny cats. This is very popular on Instagram, obviously. This person has a massive following. Check this out, 1.9 million followers. Wouldn't you like to get 1.9 million followers? Okay, and again, you can do this with any niche that you like. So let's say that you wanted to follow this person. So you're going to go ahead and click here on followers. Then we're going to go back to the Atlantis software. All right, and you'll see, and by the way, in the training, you'll see how to install. It's very easy to do. It takes 5 seconds. All right, and we're going to do follow followers. I'm going to click start, and it does this automatically. Now, what does this do for you exactly? Who cares whether you're following these people? You want people to follow you, not the other way around. So here's the cool thing. When you follow people, very often what they will do is they will start following you. All right, we're going to close this up. I don't want to follow all these people, but very often these people will start following you. Okay, now the next step is going to be that, of course, you have to put up some content that these people are going to like. That's where my bonus comes in, because you're getting all these inspirational quotes, plus you're getting all the other content that is going to be included for you completely free. You're going to have all of that stuff available to you when you go ahead and use my content. You got 4,000 viral images that you can use together with all the other stuff that I'm giving you that you can use to actually start building up your own Instagram post. It's very, very simple. You can see basically all you do, you know, like if you wanted to do something for cat videos, you do funny cat videos, okay, and or funny cat posts. And if you have a cat, I have 3 of them actually. That's easy. Okay, let's say you want to make money online. So you're going to start putting up things like, you know, pictures of money and wealth and things like that, whatever, and put those up. Okay, it's super duper simple to actually do this thing to make a Instagram that people are going to want to follow. And the way that you do that is by following other people that are already following something that you are interested in following. And basically, it just goes round and round and round so that people start following you. You start building up a following. Eventually, you can start unfollowing people as well so that you end up with a large following. Because like this person here has 1.9 million followers, but is only following 194 people, because this is somebody that knows how to do this correctly. And this is somebody who you want to emulate, someone like this, in order to really build things up on Instagram. Okay, now, by the way, I just want to tell you, if you go back to the sales page over here, and let's just go ahead and reload it real quick. If you try to go ahead and exit, then you're going to get a pop-up offering you a $3 off discount. So it's going to be $14 rather than $17 for the software. So let's see if I'm going to give it to Man's the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, I really love this thing. Huge tip in my hat. I am super excited about this because this can really help you build up a following super duper fast. It's not something that takes a long time. It's not complicated to figure out. It takes literally seconds to build it up and build traffic. And with my bonuses, this is really a no-brainer. Grab this, you're going to love it.